When purchasing a welding helmet, you want to make sure that it passes all certification from the ANSI, that's American National Standards for Equipment. What this does is it ensures that the helmet and the lens pass certain criteria for high impact, voltage, optical radiation, and projectiles. So it makes sure that you are safe. Now, when you are talking about helmets or welding lenses, there is a shade system. Okay, the shade system is a system from 0 being the absolute most clear to about 16 being the darkest. What this does this is a shade system that will filter out the light at certain intensities of light. So absolute 0 is absolutely clear. 16 is the darkest. Now, electrode arc welding processes usually will reside somewhere in between 10 and 13. Now, I'll give you an example. So if you're working on something that has about 100 amps in it, you're probably going to want to be around about a 10 or an 11 shade. The shade system can go up to 13 for electrode arc. That's more heavy industrial, stick welding and such like that. Now, what I recommend to you is be at 11 or 12 to learn how to do it first. It's going to be dark at first, it's going to be a little bit harder, but at least you're going to be protected. You need to train your eyes to see your arc at first, your weld zone, then your puddle.